Hi! In front of me is Honor X8, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on More Connections. Following that, tap on Printing. Then select Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. You can also disable this print service. Tap on the back button and choose Add Service instead. Now download the best one for you, in my case HP one. And when it's ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!